Hello, yesterday I discussed about 7 problems in trigonometric functions in NCERT example. Now I am going to discuss another 6 more problems from NCERT exemplar. Now prove that sine 4a equal to prove that sine 4a equal to 4 sine a 4 sine a cos cube a minus 4 cos a sine cube a. So this is the problem they are given. Sine 4a equal to they are asking to prove this. Sine 4a equal to this. Now you can see in this problem they are asking to prove this result. Sine 4a equal to this. Now because we want in terms of cos cube a and sine cube a, right? So what I will do, sine 4a, I can consider the sine 4a value sine of a plus 3a, right? Consider sine of a plus 3a. So this it can be written as this one, sin a cos 3a plus cos a sin 3a. Formula just have written sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b have written. Now I can write here sin a into what is cos 3a? Cos 3a is, you can write 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a plus cos a into what is sin 3a? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube. We can write 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. I have written that. 3 sin a minus 4. I can write 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. I can write, right? The value I can write like that. But you can see what I have written. Sin 3a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. I have written that value. Now I can simplify. I can see here sin, we can multiply this. If you multiply, you will get 4 sin a cos cube a and this one minus 3 sin a cos a just you multiply this will be 3 cos a sin a 3 cos a sin a minus 4 cos a sin cube a. Just you multiply ordinary multiplication, then you can see here these two I can eliminate, both the same, minus and plus. Now you can see the required answer 4 sin a cos cube a minus 4 cos a sin cube a. So this is the required answer. Alright, is it clear? I have written, they are asking sin 4a equal to this. So when I have seen cos cube a sin cube a, definitely these terms you can see in sin 3a cos 3a formula. So I have taken sin a plus 3a. Then easy to write. Instead of writing 2a plus 2a, a plus 3a, expand sin of a plus b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos 3a write the formula, sin 3a write the formula. Just expand. These two are minus and plus, you can strike over this. Now you can write this. So this is the required answer. This is one of the problem. Now the next problem I am going to discuss. If tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m. See the next problem. If tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, the given here. Tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m. If tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, the given these two values is equal to n, then prove that m square minus n square is equal to, they are asking 4 sin theta tan theta. So this problem is easy to solve that. So this one easy to solve the problem. So what they are asking, the result you can see here. So m square minus n square, you take m here. So m square is equal to tan theta plus, you can square sin theta whole square. If we take this, it can be written as m square equal to tan square theta plus sin square theta. You can write 2 tan theta sin theta. Just have taken a plus b whole square. At the same time, you can also take it n square. So similarly, you take n square will be tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 tan theta sin theta, because it is a plus b whole square. If you take n means a minus b whole square. Similarly, you can consider that. Now you can see here, they are asking difference of these two. So m square minus n square equal to, if you take difference of this, it will become, I can eliminate this. So you will get 4 tan theta sin theta. So that is required one. Correct. So this is required. Just they are giving the result. Look into the what, prove that result. From the result, m square, squaring on both sides. Similarly, squaring on both sides n square. You can subtract, then you will get the required answer. So next one, another problem. If tan of a plus b is equal to, just look into another one. The given tan of a plus b is equal to, p is given. So tan of a plus, if tan of a plus b is equal to p, if tan of a plus b is equal to p, tan of a minus b is equal to q, the given these two values is equal to q, then show that the given here tan 2a equal to p plus q by 1 minus pq. So this is the problem they are asking to prove that. They are asking this one. Just you observe here. In this problem, just an idea here. We know tan of a plus b, we know tan of a minus b. So they are asking 2a. So 2a equal to, I can write a plus b plus a minus b. If they ask tan 2b, difference of that. But they are asking tan 2a. So a plus b plus a minus b. I'll take tan on both the sides. Tan 2a equal to tan of a plus b plus a minus b. I can consider, right? Like you know tan of x plus y. Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. If we consider that formula, tan x plus y, we can write tan of a plus b plus tan of a minus b by 1 minus tan of a plus b into tan of a minus b. So I can replace tan of a plus b is given, p is given. So p plus q by 1 minus pq. Like this we can write this. So they are given these individual values. They are asking 2a. I don't want b here. So 2a can be written as a plus b plus a minus b. It can be written as like this. After that, tan 2a, tan of a plus b plus a minus b. Then you expand this. Then you will get, so replace tan of a plus b is p, q, p plus q by 1 minus pq. So this is one of the problem. Next, I am going to explain another problem now. See, the another problem is the given here. So that is problem simple here. So another problem, they are given cos of alpha plus beta equal to 0 if cos alpha plus cos beta equal to 0, which is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta. They are given, this is the result they are given. They are asking here, then prove that cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta, which is equal to minus 2 cos of alpha plus beta. Minus 2 cos of alpha plus beta. They are asking to prove this result. You can see here, when they are asking to prove this result, you can observe here what they are given here. You can observe here in this problem, just they are given cos alpha plus cos beta equal to 0, which is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta. Then prove this result. Now here is an idea about this. They are given this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0, right? So what I will consider, I want cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta. So this is the idea of this. Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square minus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square equal to 0, right? This is 0, this is 0. Why I have taken like this? The idea is cos 2 alpha means cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Cos 2 alpha is, cos 2, what about cos 2 alpha means cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, right? So this expression. What is cos 2 beta? Same thing. You will get cos square beta minus sin square beta here, right? Cos 2 beta means cos square beta minus sin square beta. So to get this expression, I have taken this. So I have taken this result. Correct. So you think about that before doing that. So this is the idea about this. You can think about that. So I have taken like this. Okay. Then. So you can understand here because the cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta. So this is the right we have here, right? So this is the value. So that's the reason here I have taken here. And you can, that is the idea. This is cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, cos square beta minus sin square beta. So I have taken, if I expand this, so cos square alpha you will get plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta minus sin square alpha will get sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta equal to 0. It goes like this, right? Now, you think cos square alpha, we can group with the terms cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha plus cos square beta minus sin square beta, which is equal to, I group the terms. Now 2 cos alpha cos beta, you transfer that side, minus 2 cos alpha cos beta. Here minus 2 sin alpha sin beta, if we transfer it will be plus 2 sin alpha sin beta, it comes, right? Plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Now this is nothing but cos 2 alpha. This is cos 2 alpha plus this is cos 2 beta. We have formula, right? Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha cos 2 alpha. This will be cos 2 beta, which is equal to, you take minus 2 common, it will be cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. This is nothing but minus 2 cos of alpha plus beta. So that is required result. We want, that is the required result. Minus 2 cos of alpha plus beta is the required result. Is the required result, correct? They have given cos alpha plus cos beta equal to 0, which is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta. Now they are asking to prove cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta equal to minus 2 cos of alpha plus beta. So what I get idea here, cos 2 alpha is cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, cos 2 beta cos square beta minus sin square beta. To get those terms, I want square of this. So I have taken square of this. I want cos square minus sin square alpha, that I have taken minus here. Now I expand a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. You expand, you rearrange. You rearrange these terms. Cos alpha 2 cos alpha cos beta, take that side, minus 2 cos alpha cos beta, minus 2 sin alpha sin beta, plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. For this you replace cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, then you take minus 2 common. So this is nothing but cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos of A plus B. I have written minus 2 cos of alpha plus beta. This is the required answer. Now I am going to explain next problem. So what will be the next problem you can think here? One more problem I am going to explain. So this is the, you can see here, the problem is here, if sin of x plus y, if sin of x plus y by sin of x minus y, which is equal to a plus b by a minus b. This is given, a plus b by a minus b. Then show that tan x by tan y is equal to a by b. They are asking to prove this. Tan x by tan y is equal to a by b. Now you can observe here when they are asking this result. Now they are asking this result. Yesterday also we discussed in one session, in the first session where I discussed about component of dividend of property. I will remind you again. If a by b equal to c by d implies a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. This is component of dividend of property. Component of dividend of property. Same thing I can consider here. Sin of x plus y. Again by sin of x minus y, which is equal to a plus b by a minus b. Now use component of dividendo. If we use component of dividendo, sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y by sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y, component of dividendo, which is this side, a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus a plus b, right? Plus difference of these two, right? Now you can see here, this will be easy here. I can eliminate here. You get 2a by 2b. Now here, this is sin c plus sin d. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? Think about, when they are talking about sin c plus sin d, we have the formula 2, you can write, when they are talking sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this is the formula sin c plus sin d. If I use that formula here, I can write 2 sin x plus y plus x minus y by 2 into cos x plus y minus x plus y by 2. I have written whole by, just I have written sin c plus sin d. What about sin c minus sin d? This also you can see, sin c minus sin d equal to, you can think this one, 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. So this is the formula. Look into that formula. You can write the value here. I can write 2 cos x plus y plus x minus y by 2. I can write this sin of x plus y minus x plus y by 2. I can write, which is equal to a by b. The remaining terms I have written, which are a by b I have written, right? Just I have written again. I can explain that. So I have written that, right? I will again I can explain that. So that value I will explain again. I have written this is by 2 by 2. I have written, right? These values I have written. Now if I simplify this, so you can see here, if I am going to simplify, the result I want tan x by tan y is equal to a by b. So what I will do now, I am going to simplify here of learning component of dividend. So the result I am going to simplify. So just I will simplify the result. You can see this will, I can cancel here. 2 I can eliminate here. This is sin pi cos, angle is same. Sin pi cos is, you get tan. So tan of, you can see here. This is again minus 5 plus y. You will get minus 5 plus y. X plus 2x by 2. You will get to 2x by 2. Why? Because this is sin by cos tan. This is cos by sin. So you can see minus x plus x, I can cancel here. Minus x plus x. Y plus y, 2y by 2. You will get cos by sin. You will get cot of, you will get 2y by 2, which is equal to a by b. I got this one. Cos by sin is cot. Now you can see 2 to cancel here. 2 this is tan x into what is cot y? 1 by tan y, which is equal to a by b. Now this implies I can write tan x by tan y equal to a by b. So this is the required result, right? That will be the required result. We got it that right. Tan x tan y b. Now I am going to explain one more problem. This was important model, this one. So with this one more problem I am going to explain here. Just you observe here. In this problem, take this is given one. Apply component of dividendo. After applying component of dividendo, use sin c plus sin d and denominators use sin c minus sin d. Then sin by cos will be tan and cos by sin will be cot. But the required result, everything in terms of tan, right? Cot y is 1 by tan y. Then tan x by tan y is equal to a by b. Now, I am going to explain one more problem in the series. I am going to explain one more problem. See, this is also important. This is important problem. So here you can observe here. This is a very logically problem here. Yeah, I am going to explain. This is one of the problem. So if tan theta is equal to sin alpha minus cos alpha by sin alpha plus cos alpha, then show that sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to root 2 cos theta. They are asking this result, we should show root 2 cos theta. So here what I will do now, I can take it tan theta is equal to sin alpha minus cos alpha by sin alpha plus cos alpha I have taken. So here by convenient, what I will do here, take minus cos alpha common. You will get, if you take minus cos alpha common, 1 minus sin alpha by cos alpha by, you can take it cos alpha common, it will be 1 plus sin alpha by cos alpha, it will come here. So this one get cancelled here. I can write minus 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. So you can observe here, this is formula, this is nothing but I can write minus tan of, I can write pi by 4 minus alpha, we have tan theta. We have tan theta, result is tan theta, we have tan theta equal to minus tan of pi by 4 minus alpha. How do you know this? You can verify. Tan 45 is 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan 45 tan alpha. If I expand this, will be equal to this. So here we know minus tan theta. So tan of minus theta, I can take it tan of minus of pi by 4 minus alpha, I can write. So this will be, I can write tan theta is equal to, so tan of, you can observe here, this will become alpha minus pi by 4. So this implies, comparing both the sides, theta equal to alpha minus pi by 4, right? Now from this, what about alpha value? Alpha is equal to, you will get pi by 4 plus theta. Alpha is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. So why I got this one? Alpha is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. When I have taken alpha equal to pi by 4 plus theta, I got, why I have taken alpha value? Because left hand side alpha is here, but right hand side we have theta. I don't want alpha right hand side, so find alpha value, replace there, right? So after finding alpha equal to pi by 4 plus theta, now what I will do now, I am going to substitute the value of this, right? So after finding this value, I am going to replace. So you observe here, alpha is equal to, you got this one, pi by 4 plus theta. Now replace alpha with pi by 4 plus theta. I am going to simplify now. You can follow the simplification. Further simplification, just you can remember the value of alpha is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. You take this one, sin alpha plus cos alpha, which is equal to sin of pi by 4 plus theta plus cos of pi by 4 plus theta. You can consider this. Now you can expand. This will be sin pi by 4 cos theta plus cos pi by 4 sin theta. So sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Then you can write cos of a plus b. You know cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos a cos pi by 4 cos theta minus sin pi by 4 sin theta. But we know this sin 45 cos 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 cos theta, I can write. This is cos 45 1 by root 2 sin theta plus cos 45 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. Because sin 45 1 by root 2 cos 45 1 by root 2. Now you can observe here 1 by root 2 cos theta. You can see 1 by root 2 sin theta. 1 by root 2 sin theta. This one I can eliminate this. So you got 1 by root 2 cos theta, 1 by root 2 cos theta. So both are same terms. I can get two terms are there. 2 into 1 by root 2 cos theta. This 2 I can write root 2 into root 2 1 by root 2 cos theta, right? So root I can eliminate, which is equal to root 2 cos theta. So that is the required answer, right? This is the required answer. So this is my second video on NCERT exemplar problems. The topic is trigonometric functions. Now next video I am going to give the third video. Again same problems I will continue. Few more problems are there, I will continue third video. If you like my teaching and methodology, if you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.